Well, good morning everyone. Today we'll start exercise 2.4, and in this exercise we are going to use the concept of rounding. So rounding is done to get approx value or estimated value. Like in the general conversation, many times you would have gone through the terms like lagbhag value, right? So that lagbhag value is your basically the rounding or the estimated value. Now for rounding there are some steps that needs to be followed. First one is identify the two thousands in which your number is coming. Means because in your standard we are going to do the rounding up to 1000 only. Means we will be rounding the number to the nearest 1000, though rounding is done to the nearest 10 to the nearest 100, but in your syllabus it is for 1000 only. So first you have to identify the given number is coming in between which two thousands, and the second step is round to the nearest 1000. These steps will become clear when we will go through the question. The question number 1 is once B part I am doing, and in this question what you have to do, you have to do the actual sum and you have to find out the estimated sum. So actual sum means what all those numbers are given to you, you will be adding the actual numbers. Means जो नंबर आपको दिए हुए हैं आपको वही नंबर्स ऐड करने हैं, and in the estimated sum you have to round off these numbers and then you have to find out their sum. So 7456. Now see, you have to round in 1000. 7000 is already in your 1000, so you don't have to convert this. What you have to round is 456. So first step was identify the two thousands in which your number comes. 7456 comes in between 7000 and 800. 8000, sorry, right? तो फर्स्ट स्टेप आपका ये हो गया. सेकेंड इज राउंड टू द नियरेस्ट 1000. नाउ सपोज you are at 7000 and you have to go to 7456, then you will have to travel only 456 steps, or you need to add only 456. If you are at 8000 and you need to go to 7456, then you have to move how many steps? Here I have done for you, that is 544. Here you are traveling only 456 on steps, and here you are moving through 544 steps. Definitely you are reaching from this point to this point easily or soonly. It means 7000 is nearest to 7456, therefore 7456 will be rounded to your 7000, not your 8000. Second concept is, since this is already in 1000 as I told you earlier, so you don't have to look for what we are converting is 456. If your this value is less than 500, then it will always go to your smaller 1000. दोनों में से जो भी 1000 छोटा है, अगर आपकी ये वैल्यू 456 मीन्स 500 से कम है, then it will always go to your smaller 1000. If it is greater than 500 or it is equal to even, या तो ये 500 के equal है या 500 से greater है, then it will always go to your bigger 1000. So here you can see 532. 6532 has been converted to your 7000, not to your 6000. So coming to your estimated sum, this 7456 has been rounded to 7000, and 6532 has been rounded as your 7000. Now estimated sum will be the addition of these rounded values. So 7000 plus 7000 will give you 14000, and the actual sum is you have to add the numbers as they are given to you. So 7456 plus 6532, on adding you will get 13998. Now one more part of the question number 1 I have done for you. This is the numbers which needs to be added. Now actual sum means I have added them in the way they were given to me. So I got 55,457 as my answer, and here I have rounded them. Since again 16,000 is already in 1000, what you have to convert is 895 in your 1000. So 895, again it is greater than 500, therefore your value will be converted to your bigger 1000. So it will be your 17,000. 38,562. 38,562 here, 562 again, it is greater than 500, so your 38,562 will be converted to your bigger thousand, so it is 39,000. On adding these two, I got 56,000, which is your estimated sum. Now there is a word problem. Question number 2. A petrol pump sold 3,730 liters of petrol in day 1. Day 1 में उन्होंने इतना पेट्रोल सेल किया. Day 2 में 2,531 and 5,630 and 668 liters of petrol in day 3. Means day 1 में वो इतना सेल कर रहे हैं, day 2 में they are selling this much and day 3 में they are selling this much. Estimate the total number of liters of petrol the petrol pump sold in 3 days. So the petrol sold in day 1 was this. I rounded that. I got 4,000. Petrol sold in day 2 is this much. Again, this will be rounded to your bigger thousand because 531 is more than 500, so it is your 3,000. Then petrol sold in day 3 is 5,368. Here you can see this 368 is less than 500, therefore it will be rounded to your smaller thousand. So 5,368 has been rounded to your 5,000. On adding this, I got the total number of liters of petrol sold, that is the sum of all the above three, and I got 12,000. That's all for today. The pic of the exercise will be sent to you separately for your practice purpose.